Celebration this week right here in the tri-state shines the spotlight on the health of our community. Joining us now with how it could help save lives is health anchor Liz Bonus. Hey Liz.
Hey Kyle, good evening. Good evening to you. That celebration all part of the 100th anniversary of public health in Hamilton County. The person shining the spotlight on what's needed to help keep us well and prevent deaths from the opioid epidemic, none other than the director for the Center of Disease Control.
I think a very important time for public health. I think we really are at a transformational moment.
In our exclusive interview at the CINCINNATI Center to celebrate the 100th anniversary of public health in Hamilton County, Dr. Robert Redfield told me, before you go thinking that public health is just about flu vaccines or others.
President Trump in the State of the Union announced really a bold initiative to bring an end to the AIDS epidemic in America. We're going to get it done.
Dr. Redfield said he will get this done with the help of early diagnosis and more routine testing, as well as antiviral drugs. These can suppress the virus so it's undetectable. It keeps it from being passed on. When it comes to the 50 counties with all new diagnosis of HIV,
3 of those are here in Ohio, Cleveland, Columbus, and the counties of Cincinnati.
also a big concern in our area, the opioid epidemic, Narcan availability, and needle exchange programs, as well as those who refuse vaccinations.
We've got to change the hearts and minds of those individuals in the American public that have chosen to leave vaccination on the shelf for themselves, their children, and their family.
As I kicked off this event,
we're turning 100 this year.
One other thing really important, the continued loss of babies' lives with infant mortality, also top of mind for Dr. Redfield. As to why it's so high?
I want to have old-fashioned shoe leather, each death is a sentinel event, and try to understand. So I could answer that question.
One of the reasons he'd like to answer that off camera, he shared with me that he wants real answers because he and his wife lost a child of their own as an infant. He was very candid, very real, and well received at this celebration.